guys, welcome back to the KNC Show. If you're new to our channel, I'm Kaylee, and today I'm going to be eating only red foods for a day. So before we get on with this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. You can't comment because YouTube won't let us comment anymore. So be sure to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a video. So let's get on with the video. So what I have is some Welsh strawberry fruit snacks. They're red. Have some Cheez-Its, some Waves Original, and some Turbonos, Flamin' Yellows, and some Raspberry Zingers. And for dinner, I'm going to be eating spaghetti with red lentil pasta. And I have some pepperonis, some ravioli, strawberries, fruit punch pickles, this fruit and chia, peaches and strawberries, dragon fruit flavored chia. It's basically just a fruit bowl. And my favorite, some fruit punch soda. This stuff is gonna be so good. Okay guys, so I'm about to eat lunch. So I'm gonna eat some of the ravioli. So I have mini ABCs 1 to 3 with meatballs. I have 4 big juicy strawberries and this fruit punch soda. I never had this before, but yeah. So let's open this. And I've never had ravioli either. So this looks weird. It's good. So, have to put it in the microwave for 45 minutes or until hot. So, I'm just gonna put it in for 1 minute. So, we're gonna throw this in the trash. So, we're going to ooh, it smells like root beer. I'm very thirsty. This is good. I'm going to put this in the fridge. So, be careful because these are hot. And guys, it's going to be hard for me to eat because I got my braces yesterday. So, yeah. But overall, I feel like it's my braces. It hurts. I feel like it's gonna be good. Sorry for the noise. But this is actually not that red. It has like white in it and meatballs, so not red. But for the most part, it's red for the most part. So, yeah. And sorry guys if you can see my fingers. I'm using my tripod to film this video. So, yeah. We'll see you guys when I'm eating a snack. But by the way, this lunch is really good. So I'm gonna see you guys when I come back to eat a snack. Okay guys, so what I have is pepperoni and these chips, but they're basically the Takis but off brand. I drank all my juice. So I have this, they're like curly fry things. Put them up there. We have pepperoni. I'm gonna try to mix them. Good, but it's hot. But not hot. And it was snack and later I'm gonna eat some spaghetti with the hold on guys. The red lentil pasta. I'm gonna try one of these pickles. Remember, this is fruit punch flavor. I love pickles, but it's Kool-Aid. It's good, but like it's fruity. I feel like eating the front. It's like eating on the side. So now I'm gonna try this pickle with a piece of pepperoni. It's not bad, but it's not good. And it's like spicy but fruity, if you get what I'm saying. And I was gonna try a pickle with these chips, but I'm not, because that's just gonna be nasty. Yeah, so I was gonna say comment down below if you had these pickles before, but you can't comment. But I really like these pickles and I would eat them like every day because I love pickles. So yeah. I'm gonna see you guys when I am eating dinner or another snack. So, yeah. So, guys, I'm about to dump the red pasta in the water for my dinner. So, they look the same as the chips, but they're orange, the yellow, kind of pink. The whole box. I feel like they're gonna turn like pinky because it's like white. Because they're red lentils. So, yeah. Well, we'll see you guys in a minute when it's done boiling for my dinner. Then I'm gonna pour the sauce on it. So guys, the pasta is done. This is the pasta and this is the sauce. So let's pour some right on top. So let's try it for the first time. I like it. The noodles are like not cold but warm, and the sauce is like hot, so that sounds like that. And then got this, and I'm going to get a cup to drink this because I'm thirsty. Cup. What happened to the cup? Cup. Bon appetit. So guys, this is the raspberry zingers. So it tastes coconut, so let's just give it a try. If you like coconuts, this is good. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to stay tuned for other upcoming videos. So, see you guys in the next one. Bye.